Hey everyone. So I'm going to show you today how to actually fold the 3 paper airplanes. So what you're going to need are 3 pieces of paper. They don't necessarily have to be blank. They can have, writing on the back. It could be an old school paper. It really doesn't matter as long as you have 3 sheets. And we are going to start with the rectangular one. So this is the easiest one to do. And each of our folds are going to start with a, we'll call it a hot dog or a vertical fold. Okay, so from here, you're going to unfold it. And then you're going to take the 2 corners and you're going to fold them in towards the crease. All right, so then it should look like a little house. After that, you are going to fold it back along that vertical crease. And then you're going to fold the wing. So basically you just take the top part and you're going to fold it down so that it reaches the bottom. And then same thing on the other side. All right, so that is our rectangular paper airplane. Done with that one. All right, next up is going to be the triangular. So we are also going to start with a vertical or hot dog fold. Make sure you get a good crease. Okay, and then we're going to do the same thing as before, where we take the top corners and fold them down towards the crease. Okay, then we're going to take this little corner here and we're going to also fold it again towards the crease. You want to try and kind of have the entire side, like here, line up with that center vertical crease. And then the same thing on the other side. Okay, so it should look like a triangle now. So from here, you're going to refold along that vertical. You need to do another slight recrease. Okay. And then we're going to fold the wing. So again, we're going to take the top part, this top seam, and we're going to fold it against the bottom of the paper airplane. Okay. And then same thing for the other side. All right, and we have our triangular shaped paper airplane now. All right, the last one is a little bit more challenging. This is going to be the hexagonal one. So we're going to again start with a vertical fold. And then again, we're going to make a little house. So again, top corners fold toward the center crease. Now this one you want to get a little bit more as symmetric as you can because there are many steps. So I'm kind of taking my time, making sure I'm getting the best shapes possible. All right, so now we have this little house. So from here, we're going to take the top of the house, the roof, I guess you could call it, and we're going to fold it down towards the bottom so that it looks like an envelope, if you guys can see that. And we're gonna go so that the top tip is about an inch from the bottom. So it should be like that. And now we have what looks like an envelope. Okay, so from here, what we're gonna do is we're going to take these top two corners and we're gonna fold them in towards this crease. So similar to what we were doing before. Again, take this corner, fold along that center vertical line. Okay, all right, so now what you should have is a little miniature house with like a little dangly bit coming out the bottom. This is important because we're actually gonna fold this up and it's gonna lock the wings in. So this will stay folded this way. All right, so from here, we're actually going to pick it up with our finger on that little folded up piece, and we're gonna fold it the opposite way. So it looks like that, so I'll hold it again. So like this, we're gonna fold this way so that you can always see the little piece that was sticking out. And again, its job is to kind of hold in the wings so that this piece doesn't like pop out. So from here, we are going to make our wings. Again, we're gonna take that top crease and fold it down to the bottom. So it lines up nicely. Okay, same thing with the other side. And there we have it. All right, so at this point, you should have all three of your paper airplanes. You have your rectangular, ta-da. You have your triangular, ta-da. And you have your hexagonal one, ta-da. All right, so if you guys can just read through the directions on actually how you're going to be testing it, that is going to be very important. So once you do that, you are free to fly. Have fun, guys.